What do you think, folks? Will this work? Find out in a minute. So far, so good. Don't do that. Pretty sure I still have ball bearings in this little tree. Uh-oh. Any more weight up here. I think I might just take it down and lay this thing down. Get back in there. Yes, ball bearings. Here they come. See that? Ball bearings. Don't lose any of these. Almost there. There we go. One RZ350 frame. Ready for paint or powder coat. Look what's happening in California. We have frickin' rain. It just doesn't happen much around these parts. We're supposed to get like 2 inches, which to some of you that may not be much. To us, that's a ton. Alright, ready to go. I took all the grommets off. It's de-rubberized. Gotta clean up all my messes. Over here, over there. More messes, more messes. Now I can start rebuilding things. Brake calipers, oh boy, all kinds of stuff. Master cylinders, swing arms, forks. The thing that goes in there. Get new wheel bearings. I'm hoping to get a hold of a guy, I think I might have mentioned this already, that does polishing. He worked at Arlen Ness for quite some time. He was their polisher guy. So I'm hoping to clean these wheels up and then hand them off to him and have him do a nice, not super polish, maybe a medium polish on these wheels. Okay, the easy stuff is done. Now the hard part.